why should I keep the area around my air handler clean? Keeping the area clean helps your heating and cooling system work safely, efficiently, and reliably. An air handler moves air through your home, so dust, boxes, clothing, and other objects near it can restrict airflow. When airflow is blocked, the system must work harder to heat or cool the same space, which can raise your energy bill and strain the blower motor. Keep at least a few feet of open space around the unit and never cover its vents or access panels. Dust near the air handler can be pulled into the system, collect on filters and coils, and reduce how well heat moves through the equipment. A dirty evaporator coil can also stay damp, creating a place where mold and unpleasant odors may grow. Do not store paint, gasoline, cleaning chemicals, paper, or other flammable items nearby, because some air handlers contain electrical parts that can create heat or sparks. One detail many homeowners miss is that clutter can hide a slow water leak from the drain pan or drain line, allowing damage to the floor, ceiling, or nearby walls. Vacuum or gently wipe the surrounding area regularly, replace the filter as directed, and check for unusual moisture, smells, or noises. A common mistake is placing storage items beside the unit because they seem harmless, so keep the manufacturer's recommended clearance open instead. Another mistake is using water or spraying cleaner inside the air handler, which can damage electrical components. Turn the system off and have a qualified technician handle internal cleaning. Some people also wait for weak airflow before replacing the filter, but a clogged filter can cause problems long before airflow feels different, so inspect it monthly and replace it when dirty. If you notice standing water, burning smells, mold, or repeated shutdowns, switch the system off if it is safe and arrange professional service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.